Hi everyone. I purchased some dies from Tuesday morning, and then I'll share with you some projects that I've done with them. So first one I got was this beautiful Diamond Flourish pocket, and I'll put all the numbers in the description box. So it's a really good size die. This is the die. Makes this really nice diamond shaped. So this part gets embossed, and then it cuts this out. So that's that die. I also found the Prim Hearts. So you get 3 different sizes. And they're really nice size. So these are the 3 different sizes you get. That's that one. And then I found this thank you die. This is really cute. It reminds me of the happy birthday one I found there before. It's this one right here. So it cuts out that word, thank you. And then I found this one. It says love you, and then it has a cute little heart that comes with it. It's a cute little size. Alright, so let me show you the projects. So the first one I made was using the pocket. I make this cute little pocket tag. So when you pull out this, it has a cute little tag. This is the pocket here. It's that Flourish pocket that I just showed you. And then this is using Pink and Main's bow die in this size large. And then here I created a tag, and then I used the Prim Hearts by adding some dimensional to it, and then it makes a cute little tag, and then it just goes in there like so. So I'm going to show you how to make this one. And then I also, this is how I use the little thank you die. So I made it like a bag topper. This one I added it to a tag, and then I adhered the bag of bows on the tag. And this is again using the Pink and Main bow die, and then this is using MFT Stamps Dainty bow die. Okay, so let's make this one first. So I went ahead and pre-die cut it all here. So for the pocket tag part, that is going to measure 4 1/4 inches wide by 6 1/4 in height, and I will put again the measurements in the description box. I did use this tag corner chomper by We Are Memory Keepers, and I use it in the size large. I've seen this at Tuesday morning, so if you have a Tuesday morning, check it out. So I just corner chomp that like so. And then I also did it to the tag, and this tag is 4 inches wide by 6 inches in height. So just a 1/4 inch smaller than the other tag. And just corner chomp that as well. And then I'm just going to use my punch here. Use my circle punch. I believe this is a 1/2 inch circle. And then you're just going to punch it in the middle, like so. Okay, so let's add the pocket first to the larger tag. So this is the die cut right here. I'm not sure if you could see it. You could see the really pretty embossed diamonds. So you're just going to fold in those tabs. There's 3 tabs that you need to fold in. 2 on the side and then 1 on the bottom. Like so. And then I'm just going to adhere some double-sided tape. Just going to add some of this double-sided tape. I get this at Tuesday morning, so whenever I see this tape there, I try to pick up at least 1 or 2 packs. They always get it in different sizes. This is the 1/8 inch size double-sided tape. Okay, so let's peel those out. And we'll add it to the larger tag. Okay, so we're just going to add it to the larger tag here. So I'm just going to line it up to the bottom. Okay, creates this cute little pocket tag. Okay, so now the tag, I'm going to add the Prim Hearts on there. So I went ahead and pre-cut those. So I just add dimensional pop dots to the small and medium sized one. And then we're just going to layer it on top of each other. I always add a little adhesive just to secure it. And then I'm just going to layer it like so. And do it to the smaller one here. And this one I add, you know, an initial, but you can add whatever you want on these hearts, or you can leave it as is. It's really cute. And then we're just going to place it on top of the tag like so. And I'm just going to use some adhesive here. This is a Sticky Thumb glue, which I also found at Tuesday Morning. Add a little bit here. Just place it right in the center of the tag. And then I just add some embroidery floss to the little hole there that I pre-punched earlier. So this is just some, actually this is upholstery thread that I'm using. I get this at JoAnn Fabrics. So I'm just going to match it up here. And then I'm just going to thread it through the hole. Then thread this through here like so. And then I just double knot it to just secure it. Okay, and then I just kind of trim it a little bit if it's a little too long. Alright, and then we're just going to place that right in the pocket. Looks really cute in here. And then we're going to add a bow. So I have a bowl of these bows. Again, this is from Pink and Maine. It's this bow right here. It's the larger size. And we're just going to add that to the center. Add some double-sided tape to that. So I place the tape all the way across the back of the bow. And then I'm just going to place it right in the center of this pocket here. Fits perfectly in there. Very cute. And there you go. Makes a cute little pocket tag. Okay, so that's how you do that one. So for the thank you one, we're going to make this one right here. So this tag right here is going to be 3 5/16 inches wide, because that's how wide this die cut is, and then 5.5 inches in height. So all you're going to do is just fold it in half. You're going to see a score line right in the center. Just fold along that score line like so. And then you're going to add adhesive to the both ends right here underneath the thank you. So just add your adhesive. And then I just use those 3x4 gift bags or clear bags that I pick up at JoAnn. I've shared it before in my videos. And it fits right on top of this. And then we're just going to glue it down. So I line it up with, I lined the top of this tag with this score line. And there you go. You got yourself a cute tag. And then like how I did here, I just add the clear bag and adhered it to the tag. So those are my two project shares. Again, check out your local Tuesday morning for these fun dies, and you can create these two projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.